This week's video, I had a great plan of unboxing this Inergy Apex, giving you all these great details. I've been waiting months to receive this item, paid up front for it February 5th, and the unboxing did not go so well. We have a total failure on the Inergy Apex, so stay tuned for all the information coming up in this video. Okay folks, we're gonna have fun with this one. Apex Energy finally receiving it. It's been a long wait. The only problem is it is running. Let's see what the heck is going on. It is really hot in the box. Okay, I hope this camera is actually going to pick this up. It is running in the box. Let's pull it out and see what we actually have. Okay, it looks like we have, it is actually on. Wow, okay. Let me get an angle on this. The fans are running. So after talking to Inergy, they are sending me a return label. They have no backup plan for sending replacement items to anybody that gets a malfunctioning. And just so you know, this fan has now been running for, well, it was delivered yesterday afternoon. It was very hot, now it's cool. So it's been running for several hours and it has only gone down by 1 volt. The battery is at a 0 charge on this device and the fans are still running. The reset buttons are not, there's no way to reset them. They're not tripped. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm ever going to see an Apex Energy that actually functions within the next several months. They said they can have one to me, but it'll have to wait for the next shipment. Very disappointing, and it's interesting as what is wrong with this device. They seem to be like, oh, this is the first one they've had to return. Everybody's getting them shipped. This was in DC mode when I unboxed it. The battery was at a 0 charge, so it's not like it accidentally got shipped on. The inside of the box, top. Now if you notice here, on this little corner right here, there is a little rubbing here. There's a little rubbing here. And this would be right where that button is. So if the item was juggled around at all, it looks like it might have come from right here, which is interesting that they didn't cut this out so there's no way it could move around. Maybe that's what's with this, put the unit on. I don't know when this unit was actually boxed up, so it would be interesting if Inergy would tell us actually when it was all put together. Was it at their facility or was it overseas where they received their product from? Good question, huh folks? After speaking to the tech support, he seemed to think it was a manufacturing problem. I don't have much hope of receiving another unit, and I am really considering just returning it for a full refund, even though I have driven over 1,200 miles back and forth waiting for the shipment on this device. So I'd advise everybody to do your research before you go purchase one of these products.